What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's State Devoted coming back at you with another video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always seek a financial advisor if you need financial advice. But it's currently 8:37 Central, 9:38 now Eastern. Market just opened. Um, I'm gonna try and be more patient today and wait for the setups. I'm getting a put. I think we're getting a bounce off this VWAP. Getting 7. Yeah, I'm getting in. There we go, we're in. Oh, I'm just gonna hold for a minute. Maybe I should have gotten out. Okay, I'm probably gonna get out. Maybe. I think we're getting a bounce, so I'm probably gonna get out. Yeah, I'm getting out. We are up 133. I'm gonna get in some more puts. I think it's going down some more. There we're in. Minus 14. That's not good. See, that doesn't make any sense. I came from all the way up here to down here on the same amount of puts as I had calls, and now I'm down 182. Yeah, we're in an interesting position. It either comes down or it goes up, but I feel like it could be either way. Oof. Okay, I'm closing. Maybe. Yeah, I'm closing. Yo, up 259 on the day. Let's see if it keep running. I'm gonna get in 7 more puts. Getting out. Yeah, it's up 455 today, dude. We came back. We came back. Yes. Nice. Nice. That's gonna be a wrap, guys. If you enjoy these types of videos, definitely leave a like and subscribe. I'm posting them every Monday through Friday, and then I'll have like crypto stuff on the weekends. But I hope you guys take care and peace out.